Hey guys, welcome to Protocoders Point. Okay, so in this Flutter tutorial, we're gonna learn how to generate a random number in Flutter application. So let's begin with the tutorial. So here I have created a new Flutter project in my Android Studio IDE by name random number, and I have just removed all the default code given by Flutter team while creating new Flutter project. And instead of that, I'm just making use of scaffold widget with a text in it. Okay, so let's begin. So to generate a random number in Dart, you must make use of a random class that comes from math package. So just create an object of random class is equal to new random. Okay, so as you can see, this class comes from random dot math dot dart. So just use it. So this will import math package. Okay, so now by making use of this object you can generate random number. So in this random number, as you can see, there are various methods available, such as you can generate a integer, a double, and a boolean type true or false. Okay, so here we will just go to all these methods one by one. So let's create a variable to hold this random number generated. Initially we will just set it to 0 and bool type true and a double 0.0. Okay, so in this variable we are going to store the randomly generated numbers. Okay, so now here, so firstly we will have a look of how to generate a random integer number. Okay, so for here I will just make use of a column widget so that I can make use of more than one widget at a time. Okay, so in the text widget I will just show the value that is being generated over here, and then to generate a number I will just make use of a button on pressed. Let's give a name text to this button. Then I can name it as generate random number. Okay, so on press. Okay, so here I will just give a text and the variable that to show a random number. Okay, so now let's generate a random number for it. So to generate a random number, what we need to do is random number is equal to the object that we have created, random dot next int. Okay, so here we need to pass the maximum number that you want to generate. For example, if you want to generate in between 0 to 100, then you need to pass 100 over here. Okay, and then just we will just call a set state so that we the variable that is been updated will be reflected in your app. So let's run this. So I'm running the project in my web browser. Okay, so as you can see, when I press on this random button, the random number will get generated from 0 to 100 range. It will not go above 100. Like this, if you want to bigger number from 0 to 10,000 something, then you can do it. So you can see. Okay, so this is how we can generate a random integer number. Okay, so now let's generate a random boolean number, boolean value, true or false. Okay, so I will just copy paste the widgets. Okay, and in this text we will just show the random bool value, and when the button is been pressed, we need to update this bool value. Okay, random dot next bool. Okay, so this is the method you need to generate a random true or false. Okay, so let's restart. Okay, refresh. Okay, now let me take this widget at the center of our screen. Main axis alignment center, refreshed. Okay, so when I press on this random number, the random number will be generated from the range of 1000. And when I press on this second button, that is boolean, so you can see for true, true, again true got generated, again true got generated, false. Okay, so now let's generate a boolean, no sorry, the double value. So for that also I will just copy this widget tree, just copy it, and I will just paste it over here in the double value. Okay, so for generating double value, as you can see, there is a method provided, so you just need to call it double. Okay, restart. Okay, I need to restart, stop and restart. Okay, so our app got restarted. Okay, so I just need to change this button name. Okay, refresh. Okay, so when I press on this button, you can see the double value get generated from a range of 0.0 up to 1.0. Okay, so as you can see, this method can generate only in the range of 0.0 to 1.0. Okay, so again I'm pressing it. Okay, so now we have checked out all the methods that are available in this random class. So suppose if you want to generate a random number for OTP generation, for example, if you want to generate a fixed 6 digit or 5 digit number, then you can make use of it, this same method to do that. So let's do it. So first of all, I will just create a variable over here, and I will name it as OTP number. Okay, initially I will just give a number as 0. Okay, so now if you want to generate, you need to create a method over here that returns 5 digits number. So let's do it. Int generate 5 digits OTP. Okay, so here create an object of random, new random. Okay, so now here we will just create a variable int 5 digit is equal to random dot next int. So here you need to define the maximum number that you need to create. That suppose if now I want to create a 5 digit number, then the maximum number will be 5 digit number. So I will just give as 8888 and add 10,000 to this number. So now what will happen is over here is, suppose if a random number generated is 0. Okay, by chance if the number is generated as 0, and we are going to just add 1000 to this number, so the random number generated will be 1000. Suppose the number is something uh, 80,000, we are going to add 10,000 to it, so now the random number generated is 90,000. Okay, so you can see this is 5-digit number, and if you want to generate a 6-digit number, just add over here like this. Okay, and now just return it. Return 5-digit. Okay, so now let's call this method from when the button is been pressed. So I will just copy this and paste it over here. I will just give a height to this. Height I will just give as 20 so that there is gap between the upper widget. I will paste it over here. Random 5 digits number. Okay, OTP number, and here OTP number is equal to, we will just call this method generate OTP. Okay, I will just restart. Let's check. Okay, so random number, when I press on this button, you can see the 5-digit random number got generated. So every time you press on this button, only the 5 digit will get generated as you have defined over here. Okay, and now suppose you want, if you want to generate a range of number, suppose you want to generate a number in between, like if you want to generate from 100 to something 200 range. So every time the random number get generated should be in between this number. It should not be below 100. It should not be above 200. In that case, you can just use this. So let's do it. So here I will just create an variable to hold it. Int range number. Okay, so I will just set it to 0. And now let's create a method over here. Int range number. Okay, so here you need to pass the range you want to generate. Suppose minimum range, that is 100 for example, and the maximum range. Okay, and now here just create an object of random class. Okay, and then just return minimum number that a user want plus the random dot next int maximum number minus minimum number. Okay, so it is getting an error. Let's check. Okay, yeah, I will just change this variable to number NGE, number range. Okay, fine. Now let's do it. Here I will just create an widget number range, and now here number range is equal to the method that we have created. We need to call it. It's over here. Yeah, just call it, and here you need to pass the minimum number that you want to generate. I will just give as 100, and the maximum range, that is 200, we need to pass. Okay, so let's restart our app now. Restarted. Okay, so generate range between 100 to 200. So you can see it will be always in between them. Now suppose if you want to do it from 200 to 2000, you can do it. Okay, restart. So you can see now the range is from 1000 to 2000, in between 1000 to 2000. Okay, so That's all for this video tutorial. Hope you got the concept of generating a random number in that. Please do subscribe Protocoders Point. Thank you.